Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. So before getting to the video, I'd like to introduce myself and why do I have this channel. So, as maybe you guys already know that if you have watched my previous videos, that my name is Daria. You can say by the name of the channel. And what I do is I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University, and my department is communication design. Maybe you guys don't, or is not, you guys are not very familiar with this name, but what do we do is we're designing actually anything you can see that visual, which is could be a video game, could be a poster, or anything. So what we do is like in details, we might be doing programming. Some of my friends do programming. Some of my friends just do drawings, like for manga books, things like that. Or some of my friends are designing apps, designing websites, designing games and game characters. And what I am interested in is I'm interested in interaction design, which most of the time we're using this feature for designing an app or while designing an app. So the reason why I have this channel is to help other people who are not, maybe you guys are not very good with technology right now, or you're just not familiar with some of the interfaces, like maybe the mobile interface or the web interface. So what I'm trying to do is to teach you guys how to use that, or and while teaching you guys how to do some simple things. Most of the time I know how to do them I know how to do them very easily, because most of the time in my day I'm sitting down and I'm using these apps on my mobile phone or on my computer. So it's not really hard for me to do things. It's just it became like riding a bike or swimming. So what's then like how does it help me? That what I can say is the way it is helping me is, of course, I'm helping you guys, but it is also helping me to show you guys that how to use it step by step. So I know, like, because while using it by myself, I don't really think about clicking there, but when I'm showing you guys, it's like I'm learning the interface, or I'm learning the app overall again, right? So it is helping me in this way. When I will be designing my own app, when I will be doing my interaction designing, it will help me. In this case, I will know the users don't want this, or by the questions you guys ask me, or users don't want this, users don't know how to do this, so it has to be more clear. Users needs more over information when they first get into the app, these kind of things. So this is the way it's helping me. So right now I know most of the things way better in my head, and when I will be designing an app in future, it's going to be easier for me. So now let's get to the video. As you know from the title, today what we're gonna talk about is how to permanently delete a YouTube channel step by step. So, thanks for listening, by the way. Let me tell you about YouTube. Like, deleting the YouTube channel and finally deleting the YouTube account is a bit. Maybe you never did it. So, like, and you want to try because maybe you have some videos you don't want to delete, you're not sure, you'll be like, let me just delete the whole account. Could be something like that. So, YouTube has been a home for amateur digital video producer for more than a decade. So, many people use their accounts to post original video content, and many millions more use it as a resource for music, entertainment and learning. So, the ability to save videos in your playlist allows people to curate content personally. You can choose from hundreds of thousands of hours of videos on YouTube. And also, you might be feeling like you spend too much time on YouTube. That's how I feel most of the time. And in that case, you might choose to make a clean break by deleting your YouTube account entirely. Of course, the reason might be something else or whatever it is. And many people opt to reconsider this, how many accounts they have online. And the first place to start is finding out that what websites you have accounts with actually. And you also might want to do this as a part of an effort to delete your online presence. Maybe you're just gonna go to the top of a mountain and you just decide to live there. This is like, and you be like, I do not want any of my information, picture, anything online. So you're just deleting your presence and you're starting with YouTube, or you're at the last stop and you didn't know how to do it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So how to permanently delete your YouTube channel is, before you delete your YouTube channel, you should be consider downloading any videos or playlist information from your account. Because you may regret deleting this material later, so having a digital copy is actually smart. And the biggest commitment of deletion is that you won't have access to your old videos or comments. So when you start this process, make sure you're ready. So what we're gonna do today, I'm not gonna be using this account that I'm uploading videos from. I'm gonna use my other account that has 0 subscribers. So as you can see, I'm in my web browser on my YouTube page, and my YouTube profile picture will appear in the top right hand corner right here. And if you haven't set up a photo or your profile for your profile, it might be a single initial. For example, my name is Daria and this channel's name is Daria at the same time, so it's just gonna be D. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on it so we can get to the this drop down menu right here, and from here we're gonna go to settings. We're very close to the end right now. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sorry. As you can see, we're already in our account page in the settings, and here beside your right here beside your profile picture, there are some options like channel status and featuring, create a new channel, view advanced settings. And what we're gonna, the option to delete your channel is fairly deep in the settings menu. We click the settings, we click the icon, now we're clicking view advanced settings. So let's click. So as you can see, we have our delete channel right here. So what we're gonna do is actually we're going to click here and to continue, we have to verify this is us. So let's verify this is me by entering your password. My password is actually there, that's why it's, so you're gonna click next. And then now you have this page that's saying hide or delete your content from YouTube. So what it's saying, you're about to hide or delete your YouTube content for Daria Sengur. So please choose one of these options below. So what you want to do, the following this screen will give you the option to hide your channel or permanently deleting. Hiding is actually a version of deleting your account that focuses on your on deleting your external presence, like comments and replies. But your videos and playlists simply will become private, and if actually this solves your issue, you can choose hide. But this does not remove all data from your account. To remove everything, you have to select the second option that's saying, I want to permanently delete my account. And most probably the main reason why you came here in the first place was to know how to permanently delete your content, your account. So you have to click here. And so that's pretty much it. Of course, I'm not gonna click on here. I don't want to do it. So I'm gonna go back and back here. So let me give you some information. Actually, some time might pass before your videos are actually removed. YouTube actually warns that your account and some of your videos may stay online for a while after requesting deletion. Since I didn't actually click there, we couldn't see that page. And the account is only slated for deletion at the moment that you select it. So other users may have requested deletion, and erasing large files takes time. So give your request a few days to completely disappear. And after a few days, you can search for your old content and you should no longer see any signs. But for example, I have just deleted my account right now. In 3 seconds, in 5 minutes, when I go back and see my videos, I should not be surprised, because this is pretty much it might be taking time, because we're not the only ones who wants to go to top of the mountain and delete your online presence and starting from YouTube. There are other people who wants to do the same, and we're gonna say hola at each other when we're at the top of the mountains. So this is pretty much it. I don't know, like maybe you might have like some questions like how to delete a YouTube channel on mobile. Actually, right now, YouTube channels cannot be deleted on mobile devices. You'll need to use your desktop or laptop with a browser rather than the YouTube application on your phone or tablet. But you can use, however, any YouTube interface to delete individual videos, but not your presence. So, the other question that I might be getting is, can you temporarily deactivate a YouTube channel? Actually, your best option for temporary deactivation of your YouTube channel is the hide option, the one that we just saw, not the first option. And this actually avoids deleting your videos, playlists, or any other content, but removes your comments and replies from other people's videos. So it also retains your account just in a private mode where others cannot see your work. And the last thing, life without your YouTube channel. If you find that you're not using YouTube that much, like you may not actually need that channel that you just wanted to delete, right? On the other hand, if you're too busy to monitor comments on your videos or no longer care, deleting the channel might be a positive step. So if you want to prepare so that your digital legacy is secure and doesn't leave a lot of work for your loved ones, a password manager might be a good way to keep everything organized. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like this video or if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you have any suggestions, any questions for me, you can write them down on the comments. I'll come down there, read them, try to answer your questions, and also read all the suggestions. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I know you did, but in case you didn't, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I don't have to delete my account or hide my account. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching one more time, and see you guys in the next video.